If you are a therapist and are any type of health and wellness expert online and who has an office in person, then this video is going to be made specifically for you. So in this video, we want to address what are the biggest things that you can do as a health and wellness and our therapist to start to grow your content and your practice online through the power of SEO. So if this is your first time tuning in, hello, my name is Soph. I'm so glad for you to be here. And what I really want to address is one of the biggest problems that we see with health and wellness experts and our therapists who are trying to grow their business through social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook, but feeling really frustrated by that process. So typically, when you're getting started, it's important to recognize that there are quick and easy things that you can do so that you're not having to rely on constantly creating new content in order to create new clients. One of the most important things that you can do is start with setting up what is known as a Google Business profile or a Google Business page. Now, this might feel like a really silly thing to do, even if you have an online-only business, but it is one of the best ways for you to actually start gaining traffic and getting noticed online. What a Google Business profile and or Google Business page is it's essentially the page on your Google Maps that shows up for different businesses who are registered with Google. Now, even if you don't have an actual physical location or you don't do in-person office appointments, it's still incredibly helpful for you to have this for local SEO purposes, especially if you work predominantly with clients in a certain state and are within a certain city. By doing this, you can go ahead and check out our other resource here, which talks about how to set up your Google Business profile step by step and showing you some of the quick and easy ways that you can get started on Google. Now, following along in that same trend, the next best thing that you can do is actually automating and streamlining your ability to get Google reviews. Now, as we both know, people love to research and look at the reviews and the feedback that people and our brands or products are getting. And so it's absolutely crucial for the sake of your business that not only do you have a piece of content on Google, but you have lots of incredible reviews from happy clients and customers who love your service. To do this, it's pretty quick and easy. All you have to do is share a Google review request link and send it to clients after your appointments. When they go ahead and review your actual business profile and our page, it's helpful to also be sure that you are responding to reviews and saying thank you so Google knows that you're active on your account. By doing this, you'll also be able to improve how well you're ranking on the Google search page when it comes to Google Business profiles. The more positive reviews you have and the more active you are on your Google Business profile, the better you will rank when it comes to people searching for your specific service in that industry. Now, again, these are quick and easy tools that you can start doing, and all of which is completely free. You don't need to pay for Google Business profile and you don't need to pay for Google Business reviews. But if you want an amazing tool to start automating this, we highly recommend checking out the Online Business Automator CRM, which is our signature software that will help you streamline both client appointment booking as well as payments and Google Business review requests. Now, if you are still here and you're looking for one more amazing tool, then the last thing that I will say is actually improving the way in which you're using your website and your email marketing. This might sound silly, but Google and how you rank for SEO goes beyond just having the Google Business profile itself, but goes into how you are creating content consistently on your site to improve ranking overall. Now, we have a ton of free resources in this channel, so be sure that you hit subscribe and you explore each of the videos that talk about what SEO is, how it works, and how to get started so that you can hit the ground running. But to really help you in this video, what I want to address first off is making sure that you are performing an audit on your site and actually creating content that can rank. Now, we have a free SEO introductory course that will walk you through each of these steps, including how to do keyword research so that you can create content relevant to your audience and start to rank on the first page of Google. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the links and the resources down in the description below. If you have additional questions or pieces that you'd like more information on, feel free to comment and our team will be happy to reach out. Otherwise, we cannot wait to see you in the next video.